Good morning, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever you're watching us from, I am live at Oliveness Garden Estate here in the city of Asaba, Delta State. We are here live to commence construction on this. Okay, like we did promise you that we are giving you the best, a good product, and of course, a good title. This property has certificate of occupancy as its title, and we are starting development construction on this site immediately. As you can see, the action has commenced right away. We are not wasting time. Construction is starting immediately. You can see the construction materials on site. The block is on site. The setting out will be happening immediately after now. So this is the right time to key into this product. Do not delay. In fact, we have only 10 plots we are going to sell at the pre-launch. Only 10 plots at pre-launch price. That's what we are going to sell at pre-launch price. Immediately we sell 10 plots at pre-launch price, we are going to increase the cost of this estate. This estate is in a peaceful environment of Obolokiti here in Asaba, Delta State, and it is just 20 minutes drive to the airport. So connect with Engineer Ephraim Properties and I will help you secure this beautiful estate without any delay. Do not click on this offer. This offer is hot. I see they're hot and we are presenting it to you. Call right away and you'll be happy.